You may have heard of bubble masks, but what do they actually do? Our sparkling bubble mask releases oxygen into a gas that creates foaming. The foaming agent helps lift trapped dirt and oil from your pores. The extra oxygen also helps increase collagen production that makes your skin younger and plumper. So when applying the sparkling bubble mask, you want to start with 2 pumps on a clean, damp face. Then you're going to gently tap the product on your face, spreading it evenly all over. And then you're going to wait 10 to 15 minutes so the mask can do its job. Then after the 10 to 15 minutes, you can rinse your face with warm water and splash it with cold water so it closes your pores, and follow with your preferred toner and moisturizer. So like all of our products, our sparkling bubble mask is all natural, with ingredients like fruit salt extract, acai berry antioxidants, and hydrolysol. So it's important to note with our bubble mask, depending on your skin type, you will experience different bubble levels. So if you have more oily skin, you may experience more bubbles. With less oily skin, you'll experience less bubbles. But that doesn't mean the product's working any less or better for you.